Hi to all. Once again, welcome back to Avisan Kitchen. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to make Paneer Mutter Masala in Hamare style. Wow! Look at it. It looks so spicy and tasty and delicious. So let's start. First, take oil in a pan. Once oil becomes hot, add onions, green chilies, toss it for a minute. Now add green peas, mix and toss it for a minute. Add tomatoes, mix it again. Now add ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, red chilli powder, garam masala powder, coriander powder, salt as per taste, and veg curry masala. Mix it and cook it for 1 to 2 minutes on a medium flame. Now add 2 cups of water. Mix it. Now cover with a lid. Let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes on low to medium flame. Open it. Now mix it nicely. Now add fresh paneer pieces into it. Mix it well. Now cover with a lid and let it cook for 5 to 6 minutes on a low to medium flame. Open it. Wow! What a texture came to our curry. It looks so awesome. If you want less gravy, then boil it further until gravy becomes thick. So here is our paneer mutter masala. It's ready. It's spicy and tasty. You can have this curry with the chapati, roti or rice. So do try our recipe and let us know your feedback in the comments. If you liked our recipe, do like our video and subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon for the